In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning lower third animation using Canva. This is a great skill to have whether you're looking to enhance your YouTube videos or give your presentation a professional touch. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to add a lower third to your video, complete with customized text and animation. Let's get started. First things first, go ahead and open Canva. If you don't already have an account, you can sign up for a free version, which is more than sufficient for this project. Once you're logged in, click on Create a Design. Depending on what you'll be using this lower third for, you might want to choose a custom size. If it's meant for a video, a 1920 by 1080 canvas size works great for a full HD video. Now with your blank canvas ready, we'll begin prepping your design. Head over to the left sidebar and select Elements. Elements are where you'll find a variety of objects and shapes to use in your design. Today we're going to focus on shapes, which is perfect for creating a structured lower third. Among the shape options, look for the simple square shape. Once you've found it, click to select it and it will appear on your canvas. Drag this square down to the bottom left of your canvas. This will serve as the background for your lower third and acts as a subtle but effective base for your text. You can adjust the size of the square by clicking and dragging the corners until it fits your desired look. Make sure it's wide enough to comfortably hold your text, but not too tall, as lower thirds typically don't take up much space vertically. Next, it's time to personalize by changing the color of your square. Click the color panel at the top of your screen and choose a color scheme that complements your video. You can either select from default colors or choose a custom color that matches your brand if you have one. Afterward, let's move on to adding text. To do this, navigate to the text section on the left sidebar and click on Add a Heading. Type in the content you want displayed on your lower third, such as your name or a brief title. Once you've entered your text, drag it into the square shape you just created. You might find you need to adjust the text size to fit neatly inside the shape, and feel free to change its color to make sure it stands out. Lastly, let's add some animation to give life to your lower third. Click on the Animate button, usually located at the top of your screen. Canva offers a range of animation options. Spend a little time exploring them and choose the one that best suits your style and purpose. Once you've made your choice, click on the animation, and voila, you have your animated lower third. And there you have it, a customized lower third animation created entirely in Canva. With these simple steps, you can now add a polished, professional look to your video content. Thanks for watching and happy designing.